Guys, what's up? It's been a while. I pulled up my Bitcoin chart, so I'm just going to show you a few things I think about the current market situation, what Bitcoin looks like. Now if you look at this chart right here, this is on the daily candle here, and it's obvious that despite all the dumps we've had in the recent weeks, that we have printed Bitcoin has printed a higher low right here around the 33k region. If you look at this, if you look at this trend right here, it's very important that we didn't go below this, because if we had went below this, there's a possibility that we would have seen something like a lower low here, and maybe we can come back to retest the 30k and even go lower all the way down to 20k or thereabout. But there's no guarantee that's not going to happen anyway. But right now it's important to understand that Bitcoin has printed a higher low around 32k. Let's actually see exactly where we dumped it. That's around 32,900 or thereabouts. Now if I put on some exponential moving average on this chart, we're going to see resistances we have so far. It looks a bit, if I switch this to like the 4-hour candle, it looks a bit peaceful, like a little bit of peaceful uptrend right here. On the far, we're beginning to see some a higher time, some bullish charts basically on the lower time frame, just on the lower time frame. Now we can necessarily call this bullish because it can either be a relief bounce, it can either be the start of a reversal, or just a relief bounce like we see on here. Every time we have a dump, you see a bit of a consolidation and uptrend. But if you look at this, you'd see that this has been more like consolidation, range and a dump, consolidation, range and a dump, consolidation, not like an uptrend reversal that we're actually seeing higher lows here. We're actually seeing higher lows on this particular reversal right here. So you got to be careful still, because we have a lot of resistance to flip. If you look at this on the daily candle, you'd see that the first resistance that we need to get to is 39,500. Let me just put a horizontal line here, just around the 39,500 region. We need to hit this region and cement a place above it to know that, okay, Bitcoin is serious and actually ready to start another uptrend here. And then we're going to talk about higher levels like 43 or 44k basically, where we have another strong support. Now if you actually look at this 39,500, you'll see that there is a lot of resistance around here. There's here, here and here and here again. I think it's up to 7 or thereabout. So you can see that it's going to be a tough road, because there will definitely be sellers around this region. It doesn't matter if you start to see bullish tweets and all of that, just make sure you know that there are going to be a couple of sellers around there, so you act accordingly. So after that, we're going to be looking at areas like 44k, and then the 200 EMA on the daily, which is around 47,500 currently right now. Remember, I'm looking at the EMA and not the moving average to be specific. So right now, this is the battle that Bitcoin is fighting. It's a weekend, so we're going to see what happens within today and tomorrow to see how it turns out. But if we don't see a good close, I don't know, we're probably going to be looking into next week to see if we pursue the 39,500 region or if it's going to fall back. Because if you look at this right now on the 4-hour candle, this is the 100 EMA that is used as resistance, just around 38,900 or 39k that Bitcoin recently pumped to and used as resistance. You can see it dumped back right here. But right now we are currently still above the 20 EMA. The 20 EMA on the 4-hour candle, so it's a little bit safe right now, but you just have to be very cautious in case you're trading with leverage or anything right now. So yeah, that's just exactly what I wanted to point out right here. Let me know in the comment section what you're doing, what actions you're taking right now. If you're landing on this channel for the first time, never hit that subscribe button, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and hit like on this video, guys. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next update. Bye.